Hi. Today I want to talk about the relief that nobody admits. I want to ask you something, and I want you to answer it honestly before you decide what you think about it. Have you ever felt, just briefly, just for a second, relief when the performance slipped? Not when you decided to drop it, when it slipped. When something came out before the edit. When the crack opened and for one moment the maintenance stopped. And then the machine closed the gap. But for that moment, was there something that felt almost like release? I ask this because nobody talks about it. And I think the reason nobody talks about it is that it implies something about the performance that most of us aren't ready to say aloud. If there's relief when it stops, even briefly, what does that say about the cost of running it? Spinoza called joy the passage to a greater perfection, an increase in the mind and body's power to act. The relief at the moment of cracking is exactly this, not from gaining something, from the temporary suspension of a cost, a brief passage to greater perfection, produced by the maintenance briefly stopping. And then, faster than you can usually feel it, the machine restores the performance. Because the machine isn't reading the relief as information. It's reading the gap as danger. The crack registered as a threat. The repair is already running before the relief has been fully felt. Spinoza says hope and fear cannot be good in themselves. The machine is running on fear. Fear of what losing the role would cost, of what the room would do if the performance didn't resume. Fear moves faster than understanding. The repair is complete before the relief can be read. What gets lost is what the relief was telling you. Before I go, note that you can have a free introductory session. Just go on to www.negativephilosophy.com, find the booking form there, and you can book a free introductory session with a mentor. Also, there's Martin's Minority Interest book and Conversation with Jelly. See you tomorrow. Thank you.